So I am attempting to make a coconut milk chia seed like pudding mixture thing. So this has coconut milk, a little tinge of almond milk, some cinnamon, some vanilla. This is the coconut milk I use. It's the chia seeds. I'll be pouring this into the chia seeds, and then hang on, let me get my, oops, oh Lord. Place it in this cute little mason jar, topping it off with some blueberries and raspberries. I got some granola bites are on sale at Target, and we're gonna see how it goes. So the chia seeds sticking up quicker than I expected, so I just ended up just putting them in the little mason jars. So of course over there, you know, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This one will be like my little tester when I got all the extra fruits in it. But yeah, this is how they turned out. I probably just have the granola bites, but put them like to the side. I won't like stick them in there. I thought I was good to be able to, but I'll just, you know, leave them to the side because I think they'll probably get really soggy.